So let's say we have an airplane like this, and it's flying at a speed of 600 kilometers an hour, and it has a mass of, 17,200 kilograms. And so part one, we want to find what is the lift force generated by the wings. So this is really just going to be equal to the weight, assuming it's flying on level altitude. And so 17,200 times 9.8, we should write this as 1.69 times 10 to the fifth newtons. And then we're told that the plane changes its angle by banking at a certain angle, or changes its heading by banking at a 20-degree angle, like this. And it keeps the same speed, but what